Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Mittel! Na maghahanap kami ng other place for
Ano yan?
the picture. Subsect picture.
Yeah.
This girl. Binigay niya sa akin to. Oh. Ang cute. Pinapalitan ko.
Ay, oo.
Okay, so here's my plan. I'm going to the mall to buy some gifts. And yeah, so supposedly I'm just gonna buy some things for my brother at the mall. But I'm planning to buy other stuff also. Supposedly I'm saving up for my camera, but I can't help it. I'm gonna get some money out of that stash. So, yun siguro. And then for my parents, I'm going to ask my brother about that. Kasi lagi kami naghahati for gifts. So we'll see, we'll see. Hi guys, so I'm at SM Mega Mall right now, grabbing some jamba. I have bought the gifts. I'm just thinking of the gifts for my friends. So I'm taking a break and thinking of ideas of what to get them. Tomorrow is our like outing, Barkada outing. And Pascuan is also tomorrow. I also don't have, or we still don't have a gift for our dad. So that's another errand to run. Last errand to run today. And after that, I'll just go home. I don't know, shopping is kind of meh for me right now. Shopping is not that fun for me because I don't have any money. So hello, so I'm home. It was kind of a productive day, but not really kasi ang tagal ko nag-antay for a Grab car or Uber. Yeah, I'm trying to edit my video. Hopefully I can upload it tonight, pero feeling ko hindi na siya possible kasi medyo mahaba-haba yung i-edit ko, and I wanna make this vlog like really, you know, napag anuhan ng oras, napag buntunan ng oras. Kung Tagalog. Si
Maui, nasaan ba si Maui? Hindi na siya makita.
So we're here mag-vlog sa iPad.
Our driver! Where are we headed? No! Hoy, hoy!
I'm so tired. Joke lang.
I rank 5.
Okay, bye.
It's recording. Okay. Yeah. Nag-ayos ako ng buhok. Sabi ko,
First place.
Mr. Pimple. Show us your twirling skills. Ang nice naman.
Ala, 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 ala.
Ang ayos naman eh.
Oo nga eh, makasabi, di daw marunong. Ala, 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 ala.
Grabe,
Good
nakakaya.
job.
Naantay namin yung fireworks. Dito lang kami. Hello.
Wow.
Kaya tamad kami pumunta sa UST, so nandito na kami sa condo.
Since you've been away so long, since you've been away so long, since you've been away so long, since you've been away so long.